Sat Shri Akal, Jungle Explorers! I am Buzzy the Bee, and today we are going to dive into something super exciting. Aman, Riya, are you ready for an adventure in learning Punjabi?
Sat Shri Akal, Buzzy! I am ready to swing into action!
Me too, Buzzy! What are we learning today? Today we are learning how to create sentences in Punjabi. You'll discover the secret order of words and meet the coolest punctuation mark ever, the Dundee. By the end, you'll be Punjabi sentence wizards. Here's the thing, jungle friends. In English, we say Aman eats mangoes. But in Punjabi, the order is totally different.
Different? Like instead of mangoes, I eat bananas?
No, Aman. In Punjabi, the words shuffle to subject, object, verb. So, Aman eats mangoes becomes Aman mangoes eats. Or, in Punjabi, Aman aam khanda hai. Notice the verb is at the back. That's adorable! It's like playing a word puzzle. And now, a jungle treasure, the Dundee. This is the Punjabi full stop. Forget the boring dots. The Dundee is the king of punctuation.
Dundee to the rescue! Stopping sentences in style!
Every Punjabi sentence ends with a Dundee. It's so fun and fancy. That's right, Riya. For example, I am learning Punjabi becomes Main Punjabi sikhda haan. The Dundee is included to indicate the end of the sentence. Alright, jungle pals. Now it's time to learn something magical about Punjabi verbs. Did you know that verbs change depending on who is doing the action? Let me show you. For boys, verbs end with da. For example, Aman plays becomes Aman khedda hai.
Hey, that's me! Khedda! Got it!
Exactly. Now for girls, verbs end with di. So, Riya plays becomes Riya kheddi hai. Oh, I see. Di matches me. Bustastic. But wait, there's more. When we talk about groups, things change a little. For a group of boys or a mixed group, verbs end with they. For example, they play becomes O khedde han.
So, if my friends and I are playing, we would say khedde? Cool!
Exactly. And for a group of only girls, verbs end with diya. For example, they write letters would be O chithiyan likh diyan han. Wow, that's so neat! So, we just match the ending to who is doing the action. That's right, Riya. But there's one more thing we need to add. Auxiliary verbs. These little words help complete the sentence and also change based on who we are talking about. For one person, like Aman or Riya, we use hai. For example, Aman is playing becomes Aman khedda hai. Riya is playing becomes Riya kheddi hai. But when we are talking about a group, we use han. For example, they are playing becomes O khedde han. they are writing letters becomes ओ चिट्ठियां लिख दिया हन.
So, hai is for one person and hun is for more than one? That's simple enough.
And we just match the verb ending and auxiliary verb to who is doing the action. I love it. Bustastic teamwork, Jungle Pals. Now you know how to use verb endings and auxiliary verbs to build perfect Punjabi sentences. Let's move on to practice. Alright, Jungle Pals, let's put everything we have learned into action. I'll show you a sentence in English. Your job is to translate it into Punjabi using the correct word order, verb ending, and auxiliary verb. Don't forget to add the Dundee at the end. Ready? Ready, Buzzy!
Ready, Buzzy?
Here are your steps. First, start with the subject, who or what the sentence is about. Second, add the object, the thing being acted upon. Third, put the verb at the end and choose the correct ending. The, they, or diya. Then, select the auxiliary verb. Use hai for one person. Use hun for a group. Lastly, finish with the magical Dundee to complete your sentence.
Okay. He reads a book would be ओ किताब पढ़ता है.
Bustastic, Aman! You use the correct verb ending da for boys and added hai because it's one person. Perfect! Let me try! They eat fruits becomes oh फल खाते हैं. Well done, Riya! You nailed the plural verb ending they for a mixed group and used hun for more than one person. Excellent work!
She sings a song would be ओ गीत गाती है. Did I get it, Buzzy?
Absolutely, Aman. You used the correct ending the for girls and paired it with hai. Fantastic! Okay, my turn. The boys play football would be लड़के फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. Bustacular, Riya! You used they for the group of boys and added hun. Excellent job! Keep going, team! Remember your steps and you'll be buzzing through Punjabi sentences like pros. Great job today, Jungle Pals! Let's quickly recap what we learned. For boys, use da. For girls, use the. For a group of boys or mixed groups, use they. For a group of girls, use diya. Add hai for one person and hun for groups. Remember, the verb ending and auxiliary verb always match the subject. And don't forget to end every sentence with the magical Dundee.
Got it! I'm going to practice with all the mangoes I can find.
And I practice shouting my sentences loud enough for the whole jungle to hear. That's the spirit. Don't forget, learning is about having fun. Keep buzzing, practicing, and building those Punjabi sentences. And if you enjoyed today's session, like, share, and subscribe for more adventures at Punjabi Kids. Happy learning, dosto!